Back also. Okay. Come here. निकिता जी वहाँ जगह नहीं इसलिए इधर खड़ा रहना पड़ा। जगह ही नहीं, क्या करें। मैडम यहाँ से हाँ विचार ये मत हाँ
Okay, look. Thank you. मैम
यहाँ पे
सर सर
यहाँ पे निकिता मैम सब लोग यहाँ पर स्टेट प्लीज मैम या
मत तमाशा रोल कर रहे हो। बताइए चचा।
दादा थोड़ा फ्रेम
थोड़ा ये चिपकने जा रहा हूँ। मैम फ्रेंड मैम कंटिन्यू चालू है।
कैसे हो तुम लोग?
बस ठीक है बिल्कुल। आप कैसे हो?
एकदम फाइन। ये कितना कम आप लोग का शक्ल देखने में मिलता है।
आप बुलाते नहीं ना मैम।
आप लोग मुझे नहीं बुलाते। और अच्छा है ना, काम करने में बिजी रहना चाहिए ना। ए तुम लोग किंग सीजन 2 देख रहे हो कि नहीं?
हाँ देख रहे हो
कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है?
अच्छा है देखते हैं
नो सीरियसली अच्छा।
भाई थोड़ा पीछे। भाई मैडम आप कभी शॉपिंग करने आ रहे हो?
It's going to be full of clothes with Manasa accessories and everything. Let me style you. Let me style you. Yes, I would be styling you. Yes.
Let's do it then.
मैम कन्वेल बोल दीजिए मैम। लुक देखिए ना।
Yes, 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 yes. And one-on-one piece. No straight change on that. I will be styling you something which is not seen anywhere. That is a promise. It will be only you wearing it. It will be one-on-one. It will be crazy. It will be crazy. I got Sheen India. I got Sheen to India. Yeah, I was the founder of Sheen, the partner outside in India. I got
लब्बाई दिख रहा नहीं इसके अंदर? लब्बाई दिख रहा नहीं? जूम कर दे रहा
मैम बाय मैम बाय
मैम। एक फ्लाइंग किस मैम। थैंक यू। बैक 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 टर्न।
बैक
बंटी और बबली की जोड़ी। थैंक यू सो मच।
पहले कर लीजिए उनका पूरा करना।
सर यहाँ पे डिस्काउंट
ग्रीन का डायरी।
Welcome to Mumbai.
सर
Sir, front please. This camera.
जय श्री राम।
Shika side.
जय श्री राम।
Har Har Mahadev. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
सर यस सर
Sir, wait, sir. Looking very attractive, sir.
सर यस सर सर
Sir, wait, sir. Sir, wait.
यार इधर सर।
World record. Oh, भाई.
बोला ना जीपी काटे रहेगी बोला ना।
Sir, this camera, sir, one more.
सर
Sir, this camera.
सर
Sir, this camera, sir. Tang.
टंग सर
ओ बोला ना जीपी काटा रहेगा मैं।
लुक लुक लुक।
Yeah, front, sir. Front.
सर या
Front.
सर यार
Front. Both of you front. Sir, tongue. Front.
सोलो।
Thank you.
Solo, solo.
Sir, front. Front, sir, front. Both of you.
Sir, yes, sir.
Front. This camera, yes.
Got Sheen.in to India in 2016. I was the brand partner at that time. After it got shut in 2020, I went into depression and I thought I should be doing something on my own. I should give India a future. So we thought of getting Manaka.in. Manaka.in is a very futuristic and a technical clothing brand and accessories in it. So when you say clothing and accessories, it's not only streetwear. We have technical tees, we have technical hoodies to pants with a lot of technicalities. And when you talk about accessories, we have these watches. These watches are something which is never launched in India. I've designed it on my own. These sunglasses and a lot of things like iced accessory, jewelries and everything under one roof. It's an umbrella all under one roof. So we have got almost 800 plus SKUs in Manaka.in. The website is live. It's a very technical and a futuristic website. The store is here at Linking Road next to Bata opposite KFC. Why we took this location is the entire world. If you talk to anyone in Spain or in Europe, people will come in here and they will talk about Linking Road and Colaba. So we are coming up with a store in Linking Road and somewhere in town which is also planned. We'll have almost 100 plus stores. This is the first store of Manaka.in and we all are very happy that everyone, there are almost 100 plus influencers who have come, who are invited, all have given their blessings to us. We are very happy that everyone is supporting us in this venture. Manaka.in, kudos to the entire team of Manaka.
Talking about the brand Manaka, the title, the brand name, what does it stand for?
So Manaka is a flower in Brazil. Manaka is a flower in Brazil which actually is given to propose someone. So we proposed Manaka to the entire India that everyone should be wearing Manaka and everyone should be loving the brand because we are very different than the rest.
Manish as a brand specialist, as a designer yourself, there's a lot of launches and brands which is catered to Gen Z. How does your brand cater to what they do firstly? Secondly, how does it fulfill needs for everybody feels a Gen Z today? How do you justify that part?
So basically Gen Zs are the future and Manaka is the future for Gen Zs. What is it? We have got things which are very different than the rest. Streetwear has hit the market and we have captured the market. We have done a lot of pop-ups. We are aligned with the Gen Zs. People from the age of 14 to 40 all can wear it. We have basics to technical to everything under our roof, which has almost 350 SKUs in t-shirts. We have sunglasses which are very futuristic. We have watches which are very futuristic. We have ice jewelry which are over the top. And for Gen Zs, we are introducing EV bikes in July 2025. So all the EVs and everything we'll have an entire complete set of future, and we would be giving a gift to India. That's what Manaka is for.
As a brand specialist, I mean, how would you rate the pricing for the brand?
So pricing, we have kept it very competitive because
Alex, you are here for the Manaka's launch today. What do you have to say? It's lovely, this new t-shirt that you're wearing.
Guys, I'm so excited to be here at Manish's launch of the Manaka store. It's a beautiful brand. It's a very meaningful brand, as you can see, made by humans, not AI, and I think that's getting more and more important these days. Other things that are very cool that are also made by humans, not AI, are films. So I'm going to do a quick plug for Lucifer 2 Empuran coming out on the 27th of March, and then Pule on the 11th of next month, and K-City 2. on the 18th of next month. So please stay tuned. There's a lot of exciting things happening. And obviously, take a look in the store and see all these beautiful clothes that Manish has put together. I'm certain to be wearing them as well.
What do you say that? How is it different from everything? And what do you think? You saw the collection.
Well, the most important thing for me, as we were discussing inside, is comfort, and it's extremely comfortable. It's just really soft, and it's kind of like it's like I already live in it. So it's a really comfortable shirt. I'm very thankful to Manish for making it and styling me. He's going to be styling me more in the future.
Yes,
and
I'll
very
be
much
styling it.
looking
Yes,
forward to
yes,
that.
I'm your personal stylist from now.
Awesome.
Manaka is the distinct.
It's a deal.
Yes. Thank you so much, Alex, for coming.
My
It's
pleasure.
amazing.
My pleasure.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.